Hi everyone, and today we're going to learn about government, how our government works. Why do we need a government? Government helps to make laws, keep order, and protect citizens. Laws keeps things fair and safe. The government provides services like schools, road, and police. Leaders are chosen to make decisions for the people. Look at that policeman over there. The three branches. In the United States, government is divided into three branches that share power. The legislative branch makes laws, the executive branch enforces laws, and the judicial branch interprets laws. Did you know that, guys? Let's move on. Now, the legislative branch. Congress makes laws for the country. The legislative branch is made out of two parts, the Senate and the House of Representatives. Senate, 2 per state, 100 total. The House of Representatives, based on state population, 435 total. Is that cool? What does the legislative branch do? Congress makes laws that affect everyone. The legislative branch writes and votes on new laws, approves the national budget, and can declare war. That's so cool. The executive branch. The president is the leader of the executive branch. The president is in charge. The vice and cab the vice president and the cabinet help the president, and the president serves a 4-year term and can be elected twice. What does the executive branch do? The president makes sure laws are followed. The executive branch signs or vetoes laws made by Congress, leads the military, and works with other countries. The judicial branch, the courts make sure laws follow the Constitution. The Supreme Court is the highest court. There are 9 justices who serve for life. They decide if laws are fair and constitutional. Look at that judge over there with his gavel. What does the judicial branch do? The courts protect the rights of the people. The judicial branch interprets laws and makes important decisions, can stop laws that are unconstitutional, and ensure justice is served. That's cool. Look at that gavel. Did you know that was named gavel? Checks and balances. Checks and balances of the 3 branches keep power fair. No one branch is too powerful. Each branch can check the others. Example: Congress makes laws, the president enforces them, and the courts review them. Government systems. Government systems. Government makes decisions that impact your life, from education and health to freedom and rights. Understanding these systems help you become a more informed citizen. Look at that girl wearing a tie. What is a government? A government is a system for making and enforcing rules in a society. It decides who has power, how laws are made, and how resources are used. That's cool. Types of government systems: democracy, monarchy, dictatorship, theocracy, oligarchy, and communism. I think I pronounced the O wrong. Democracy. A democratic government is system is one where the power rests on with the people who elect representatives to make decisions on their behalf. It ensures that every citizen has a voice through free and fair elections, promoting equality and participation in the political process. Look at the handshake. Monarchy. In a monarchy government system, power is held by a single ruler, such as a king or queen, who often inherits their position. This system can vary from absolute monarchies, where the monarch has extensive control, to constitutional monarchies, where the powers are limited by a constitution or laws. Did you like hearing that? Dictatorship. A dictatorship is when one person has total control over a country and makes all the decisions without input from others. People usually can't vote freely or speak out against the government. Look at that fist. Let's continue. Theocracy. A theocracy is a government led by the religious leaders who use religious laws to rule the country. Decisions are based on what their religion teaches, not just regular laws. Look, that looks like a church over there. That's what theocracy is. Isn't that cool? Oligarchy. An oligarchy is when a small group of powerful people, like wealthy families or military leaders, run the country. Most regular citizens have little say in how things are done. Done. Sorry, that was oligarchy. Look at that leader. A communism. Communism is a system where the government owns everything and tries to make everyone equal by sharing resources. In practice, one political party usually controls everything. Look at that book with the scale on top of it. That's communism. Different doesn't mean wrong. Each system developed based on history, cultures, and values. Knowing the system helps you understand how our country works. What kind of government do you have? Tell me in the comments. So then, bye everyone. See you in our next video.